Hi foodies, welcome back again to my channel. So today's recipe is chicken lollipops. Now everyone likes chicken lollipops, right? So next time you get the craving, you don't have to go to the restaurant every time. I'll show you how to make these at home. These are so quick and easy and such a simple recipe, you will want to make it again and again. I'll show you how to make them from scratch. You can even marinate the chicken overnight. So if you're ready, let me show you how to make them. Come on. We will make the marinade with these simple ingredients. This is store-bought Schezwan chutney and I'll use it for the marinade and then later for the sauce too. Teriyaki sauce will balance the spice and tartness. You can add more pepper powder if you like. Now add salt only if needed, as these sauces have a lot of sodium added already. A simple mix of these sauces is ready as a marinade. Now keep this aside for a while. Here I have a mix of wingettes and drumettes. Let's prep these for the lollipop. I'll show the drumettes first. Just detach the skin and meat from the bone from the thinner end and we will bring it towards the other side to shape it like a lollipop. This doesn't take much effort, but we will need to pull it completely to the other side. Perfect. Now let's do the wingettes. For these, we need to separate the thinner extra bone and then prep it the same way as the earlier one. Separate the ligament and remove the bone. That's the one we need to take out. Now go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on all the yummy recipes that I post every week. Discard the bone, we don't need that. Then bring the meat on the other side like before. There we go, perfect. Do the same for the rest of them. You can do these a day ahead and marinate them overnight if you like. Now this is the marinade that we made earlier. Add this to the prepared lollipops so that they are coated by the sauce evenly. Drizzle cornstarch lightly. I don't like to dip them in the cornstarch because I don't like a thick coating on them. This way they get lightly crispy but juicy. No need to keep them, we will fry them right away. Deep fry on medium heat until golden all over. Try not to move them too much. Fry in batches and avoid overcrowding. Now this is perfect. Remove onto a paper towel to drain. Let's make the sauce. Saute the garlic and chilies for a few seconds. No need to brown them. Add the white parts of the green onions and give it a good mix. You can adjust the quantity of Schezwan chutney as per how spicy you like. Now here I am adding smoked paprika to give a nice smoky flavor to the lollipops. Not too much, just a subtle flavor. Adjust salt as per your taste. Give it a good mix and we are ready to drop the fried lollipops into the sauce. Reduce the flame and make sure you coat the lollipops evenly with the sauce. Now final garnish and we are ready to serve these awesome lollipops. They look great, don't they? Do try these and let me know how they turn out for you. What an easy and awesome recipe, right? Enjoy and thanks for watching. Now that was such a wonderful recipe, right? So quick and easy and so simple yet so awesomely flavorful. I'll be showing such quick and easy recipes in the future, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you will not miss out on all the yummy recipes that I post every week. If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up, show some love and I'll see you next week with another yummy recipe. Until then, enjoy the chicken lollipops. See you. Bye.